You can use Windows remote connect desktop connect to connect to the another computer, and I will use the this guy to connect to this guy called MobaXterm, this app, to connect to the remote desktop. Okay, I just start from the session, and RDP remote host because that PC is 10.0.4, I think. Username is and administrator. Okay. Click OK. Password. Okay. Yeah, looks correct. Everything looks good. See IP address, IP config. Yeah, so have 2 network adapter. So this one is .4. Yes, connect to this computer. Okay, thank you for watching.